Hello again, everyone. This is me, Ashana. We have a factory job which is scheduled for interview tomorrow, May 2. That will be Thursday. So the job description for this is trade and sales. So the company is importing and exporting medical products and everyday needs. So we are looking for 1 to 2 people for this, and you must know how to use Excel and Word for this. This is located in Iruma in Saitama. So again, this is a factory that import and export. So the Japanese level for this would be at least conversational Japanese. So if you are willing to apply, this is scheduled for interview tomorrow. The interview location will be in our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So you can comment down below if you are willing to apply for this. So sa mga kababayan ko po na nandito sa Japan na naghahanap ng trabaho, isang factory job po ito, import and export, sales, trading actually. So located po ito sa Iruma in Saitama. Sa mga gusto po mag-apply, comment lang po, or you can call also our office number at 0362068058. Thank you.